Hello, Sammy. Hello! Let's start our English moment. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
I love sea animals.
Me too.
Sea, 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 sea. Animals in the sea. Sea, 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 sea. In the sea, they like to swim. The sea lion likes to eat fish. The sea lion likes to swim. The sea lion likes to sleep on the rocks. The turtle has a shell. The turtle swims slowly. The turtle is brown. The crab walks in a funny way. The crab lives in the sun. The crab has a shell. Sea, 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 sea. Animals in the sea. Sea, 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 sea. In the sea, they like to swim. The dolphin is friendly. The dolphin jumps. The dolphin has a fin. The shark has sharp teeth. The shark swims very fast. The shark likes to hunt. Sea, 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 sea. Animals in the sea. Sea, 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 sea. In the sea, they like to swim. The octopus has large tentacles. The octopus likes to swim. The octopus is very smart. Fish are many colors. Fish can be big or small. Fish like to swim together. The whale is very big. The whale jumps high. The whale has many friends. Sea, 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 sea. Animals in the sea. Sea, 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 sea. In the sea, they like to swim. Which animal would you like to be? Sea lion. Sea turtle. Crab. Dolphin. Shark. Octopus. Fish. Whale.
Goodbye.
Ministerio de Educación. Ponle punche y ganamos todos, Perú. Gobierno del Perú.